Take a look at some other news before that. Russia will build a nuclear spacecraft that could take humans to Mars and protect the Earth from asteroids. The new nuclear propulsion system to be used in spacecraft is set to be developed in Russia. RT's Matt Trezor is at the headquarters of the company that's in charge of the program.
They have set aside some $650 million to be spent over a multiple-year period for this project of developing a nuclear-powered rocket engine for space. Now, of that money, $16.5 million of that is earmarked for the year 2010. The bulk of the research is going to be conducted here at the Energia Corporation, which is where I am right now. What this is going to do is to allow a nuclear engine to kick in once the rocket brings its payload to orbit. It's something that's much more efficient. It's something that has the potential to bring objects much farther into the cosmos and into the solar system.
It's a kind of interorbital tow spacecraft for launching new heavy satellites and spacecraft to far distant orbits, as well as to the Moon and other planets in the solar system. At present, we have rockets with chemical fuel that could launch a vehicle weighing 5 to 6 tons, while these new vehicles will weigh 2 or even 4 times more.
There were more earlier reports in the media talking about potential offensive uses of this technology, but they've since released a statement distancing themselves from that.
Some media outlets have misinterpreted our words on the application of the system, saying it might be used to propel a military spacecraft with offensive capabilities into space. In reality, the system will help provide communications in regions hit by natural disasters and military conflicts. It would also be used to avert asteroid threats and to monitor our territory.
That asteroid threat is a very interesting application of this program. Now, earlier on RT, a couple of weeks ago, we had a story about how simply putting an object like a satellite, like a heavy payload object like a rocket near an asteroid or a comet could have an effect on its gravitational trajectory and keep it from going on a collision course with Earth. This is something that has a potential application for veering comets and asteroids, rather, away from any direct collision course with Earth. Very interesting aspect there. Another aspect that we can talk about is the space tourism. This is the potential to work with a spaceship that can bring as many as 6 people into orbit. Only 2 of them would need to pilot the craft, so that means you could have 4 people as space tourists. Lots of interesting things with this nuclear-powered rocket, something that we'll be keeping an eye on.